Hey everyone, welcome back to B-Pulse. Today we have something super exciting for all car enthusiasts, and especially for those who love a classic with a twist, the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, if you thought the Beetle was a thing of the past, think again. VW has brought back this iconic car with a modern touch, while keeping that retro charm we all know and love. Let's dive into what makes this 2025 model so special. First, let's talk about the design. The Beetle still has that classic round shape but now features sleek, modern lines. The LED headlights give it a futuristic look, while the curves are still reminiscent of the vintage Beetle. Volkswagen has also added some exciting color options, so whether you're into bold or subtle, there's something for everyone. Moving inside, the 2025 Beetle really surprises us with its tech upgrades. You've got a full digital cockpit with a large touchscreen in the center, loaded with VW's latest infotainment system, which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's a mix of retro details, like round air vents, giving a nod to the old-school Beetle. The seating is cozy, and VW has gone with sustainable materials for upholstery, which feels great and aligns with their eco-friendly focus. And speaking of eco-friendly, under the hood, the Beetle's performance has received a huge update. The 2025 model offers two options: a turbocharged 1.5L gasoline engine for those who prefer classic fuel, and a fully electric variant for the EV fans. The electric Beetle offers an estimated 250 miles on a single charge, perfect for both city drives and weekend getaways. Volkswagen has also packed in tons of safety and convenience features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assistance, and even a new self-parking feature, it's like having a co-pilot at all times. And for those who live in urban areas, the new Beetle is incredibly easy to maneuver and park. So, what's the verdict? Volkswagen has done a fantastic job blending the old with the new, and the 2025 Beetle feels like the perfect evolution of a classic. If you're looking for a stylish, fun, and tech-savvy car, this might just be it. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 VW Beetle. Would you go for the gas or electric version? Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring.